Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa presentation natin today. Ayan po, Coach Corinne here. Greetings from Dubai. Ayan. Let's check the chat box. Ready, ready, ready. I'm ready. Ayan, bro Renan. Dito na po mi. Okay, bro. Magsisimula na po tayo mga bro. Magandang araw po ulit. Ito po yung pinakaunang presentation ng VoltX and Secure, Trade, and Grow. Yan po ang ating motto. Ano po ba talaga ang meaning ng VoltX? Normally, ang Volt, di ba yan yung meron tayong safety vault na nilalagay sa mga hotels, sa bahay, sa bangko, ayan. And yung vault po na yan ay very secure. Pero as I always said, kapag nag-join po tayo sa isang project, decision po natin yan. Wala pong pumipilit sa atin. Correct? Maglalagay po tayo ng kaya po nating i-raise na kapital. And whatever happens po, wala pong sisihan. Tama? We are going to make our own decision, and whatever happens, don't blame anyone. Who we are, ayan, VoltX is a modern digital finance platform built to help users secure, trade, and grow their assets with ease. Nagsimula po tayo nung 11th of May, bago lang po. So now is only 20 yet, meaning we are going to be 10 days tomorrow. Okay? Kaya kung sino yung gustong mag-rank up at maka-reach po ng posisyon, ayan, meron pa po kayong chance hanggang bukas para makakuha ng Apple Watch. Ayan. I-explain ko yan later. Why choose VoltX? Bakit po VoltX? Kasi kung ikukumpira po natin to sa ibang platform, right? Mababa po yung entry natin dito. 20 USDT at pwede na po kayo magsimula mag-trading. So marami pong mga member na gusto muna nilang i-try ang mga daloy po ng trading natin. Madali lang naman po ang back office natin. Mag-antay tayo ng code sa Telegram. Kailangan po natin magkaroon ng Telegram group. I-follow po natin yung group and you can get your code there 2 times a day. Ayan, fast access. And 15 days circle. We have more explanation na mas malalim dito sa next slide. The 15-day capital cycle. Engineered efficiency. Unlike traditional long-term lockups, VoltX operates on a high-velocity 15-day cycle. So ano pong ibig sabihin natin dito? Kapag naglagay po kayo ng kapital, mag-antay po kayo ng 15 days. Okay? After 15 days, meron po kayong desisyon na magaganap dahil it's up to you kung gusto niyo pong ituloy, kung masaya kayo sa platform, or gusto nyo i-withdraw yung capital nyo and yung profit nyo. Nasa sa inyo po yan. Or mag-withdraw kayo ng daily. Nakalagay dyan. Profits can be withdrawn daily. At the completion of the 15 days cycle, capital can be withdrawn or one can decide to continue trading. So nasa sa inyo po yan. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-continue, you want to compound again, it's always up to you. Assets are managed through optimized trading windows. Ayan. Re-entry. Users have the choice to withdraw or compound for the next cycle. So as what I said, nasa atin po, after 15 days ang desisyon kung gusto nyo pong i-withdraw po yung capital nyo and together with your profit, or you want to withdraw your profit and continue the cycle again. Pero napaka-short period of time lang po to para po magkaroon po tayo ng profit at maka-withdraw. Hindi po 1 month. Okay? Trading and profit distribution. Ayan. Meron po tayong 24/7 monitoring, constant surveillance of digital asset price action. Efficiency, ayan po. Millisecond execution to capture price imbalances. Risk migration, advanced protocols to protect the principal capital during market volatility. So sa VoltX po, madali rin po ang withdrawal natin dito. Hindi po tayo mag-aantay. It's instant withdrawal, but meron po tayong timing. Okay, meron po tayong timing, so i-follow po natin yung timing natin. At kapag nag-coffee break po, na nilagay po sa ating Telegram, which is yung Telegram po, nandun po lahat ng updates natin. So, every now and then, kailangan nyo pong basahin yon. So makakita po kayo ng update and don't forget to share sa mga kaibigan nyo din, okay? Ayan, VoltX Roadmap. Partnership with global leaders. Ibig sabihin po niyan, we are always open to add more members and to invite more leaders worldwide. Launch VoltX copy trading system, yan po ay coming soon. Launch VoltX wallet, magkakaroon din po tayo ng wallet very soon. Yan po ay isang kasama sa mga roadmap natin. Global marketing and partnership. Yan, mag-expand po tayo sa Q1 2027. Q1 means 2027 first quarter po yan. Correct? Ang first quarter is the first 3 months. And then Q3 2027, on the third quarter po ng year 2027, mag-launch po ng VoltX, the next generation decentralized exchange by VoltX, and more to come. Kung ako po tatanungin nyo, gusto po natin magtagal talaga ang Volt, right? Pero wala pong overpromise po sa company na to dahil hindi po natin alam kung kailan po magtatagal ang lahat ng company, alright? But ang alam ko lang po, if like more members and more sign up, normally nagtatagal po ang company, correct? Kasi meron po tayong ecosystem. But again, be cautious always, and ayan po tayo, babantayan po natin ang mga team natin. So ito na po ang pinaka-favorite natin kapag nag-build tayo ng team. So dito po, you can be passive, ayan, active, hyper, and super active. Ayan, nasa inyo po yan. Ngayon, every member po na mag-register at maglalagay ng kapital, syempre, minimum 20 USDT, meron po kayong 5% in first level. Yan po yung referral bonus natin. 2% level 2 sa referral bonus and 1% in level 3. So 3 levels lang po siya, correct? More on direct kung gusto nyo or maglagay po kayo sa mga members nyo sa baba. Kasi yung team bonus po natin, aakit po yan sa atin. So we gonna help and assist each other. Yan po. Madali lang po mag-rank up dito. Now, ranking incentives. I-zoom natin ni Ma'am Corinne yan. The leadership reward structure. Ito na po. Meron tayong coordinator. Ayan, kapag na-reach po yung coordinator, you have weekly income 50 USDT. At ang team volume po natin dyan ay $2,000. So, paano natin ma-achieve yung $2,000? As what I said, 3 level lang po tayo. So, if you, example, nasa 3rd level mo, ay may nag-sign up doon na $1,000, aakyat pa rin sa'yo yun dahil ikaw ang sponsor. So, kung halimbawa sa baba, already team volume is 2,000, yung second level mo, 2,000 din siya. Ngayon, kung yung second level, hindi second level, yung pinaka-sponsor niya pala. So, aakyat po yan. But correct, lahat kasama po siya. Kung yung nasa bababa niyo po ay naging 5,000, aakyat po yung points nun. So, lahat po kayo magkakaroon po ng points, kaya madaling mag-accumulate ng 2,000 USDT. Malinaw? So, leader, meron po kayong weekly income na $100, manager 200, director 500. Okay, let's go down below $10,000 sa stakeholder, which is the team volume is 500,000 USDT. Pero, hindi nyo po laging may enjoy yung 50 USDT na yan. Bakit? Nakalagay po rito sa kanan, okay? Kailangan nyo pong maging consistent ang growth ng team nyo. So, 3 weeks magkakaroon kayo ng 50 USDT na passive income, weekly income nyo, but you need to rank up on another level na maging leader. Okay? From 2,000 volume to 5,000 volume. Of course, mangyayari po yan dahil po yung mga member nyo, magkakaroon po sila ng bagong sign up. Kaya imbitahan po natin sila sa Zoom natin. So, nakita nyo, weekly income is earned for 3 weeks only. To continue earning at the next level, you must achieve next rank. So, wag niyong tatanungin yung sponsor nyo, ay, hindi po ako naka-receive ng weekly income ko. So, ngayon, sinasabi ko na po sa inyo. Okay? Now, meron po tayong other earnings dito. Other ranking incentives, ayan. Kapag meron kayong 10 direct active team, meron kayong $25 reward. Ayan. Continuously po yan. Continuously po yan kung active lagi ang mga member nyo. 20 direct active team, meron kayong 50 USDT reward. 50 direct active members, 100 USDT reward. And 100 direct active members is 200 USDT reward. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo continue yan, I believe that is always 3 weeks only, right? Okay? Kaya nakalagay dito sa kanan. Hindi po yan forever kasi kapag forever po yan, syempre malulugi po ang company kung wala tayong dinadalang business. In every company, kapag walang business, of course, they need to close down, bankrupt. Right. Next slide tayo. Ranking incentives, ayan, winner na winner. Katulad din po to nung previous slide natin. So, hindi ko na po uulitin ulit. Now, be among the first leaders. So, nagsimula tayo ng 11th May. Ngayon, kung nagkaroon po tayo ng 3,000 USDT sales, until tomorrow is our last day. So, you have your Apple Watch reward. So, ganun po tayo nag-base, correct? May 11 tayo nagsimula, and then after 10 days, I'm correct. After 10 days, tomorrow is 21. In the first 10 days of launch, we'll get Apple Watch reward. Sa tingin ko, marami naka-achieve din nito no? Okay, next. Ayan, $3,000 direct sales. Ayan, meron po tayong reward din. Unlike exclusive support, first leader to achieve $3,000, direct sales, get support, we support your team event. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, you will receive siguro ng USDT and they gonna support your first event in your area or which country that you are actually choosing para mag-event. Hindi ko na, I know that marami tayong mga international team din dito. Nakita ko kasi siya sa sa Telegram. Yan. Next. Yan. First leaders, 10,000 team volume and you get iPhone. Yan, 700 USDT reward na iPhone po kapag na-reach nyo ang $10,000 team volume. At paano nyo yan again marireach? Ayan, sa pinakababa po natin, yan, mag-rank up po tayo because it's a team sales. Hindi po yan yung parang makaka-achieve kayo ng rank and then yung team nyo kailangan din maka-achieve ng rank para po kayo magkaroon ng more volume. Ganyan, hindi po yan. So it's all together team, yung pinaka-calculation niya. I hope you understand yung pinapaliwanag ni Ma'am Corinne. Next, 20,000 USDT team volume. Meron po tayong mega event, to host a mega event. So, earn big, get 3,000 cash to host you event. Ayan, achieve more, reach $20,000 and may extra pa po tayong $3,000 cash to host your event. Yung sa una, magkakaroon po ng event. So, po-provide po yan ng company. And then this one, $20,000 means meron kayong extra cash. Alright? Para sa event nyo. 60,000 USDT team volume and get a car reward. Wow, nakalagay dito OD Set the goal to achieve $60,000 in team volume. Audi ang paborito ni Coach Corinne. Ayan. And then 100,000 team volume, Dubai. So again, Dubai, andito po si Coach Corinne sa Dubai. Ayan. Bibigyan ko kayo ng feeling sa Dubai. Ayan. Hindi pa po ito yung pinakamagandang area, but yes, this is some part of Dubai. Ayan, marami pong building talaga sa Dubai. Sa JVC itong part na to. Ayan. Okay. Andito po yung Burj Khalifa. Andito yung Palm Jumeirah. And andito po yung Desert Safari. Dubai is actually the new American dream ngayon. Right? Hindi na po tayo, maraming mga tao po na okay, mamaya tayo magbabasa ng chat box. Okay? Power na naman ng mga members. Okay. Dubai or $10,000 cash reward. So you choose Dubai or $10,000. Teka. Medyo mahirap to, parang gusto ko yung cash Kasi pag nag $10,000 ka, you can go to Dubai din naman, di ba? And you can actually book na pwede kayong pumunta sa iba-ibang bansa in the $10,000. Ayan. 500,000 USDT team volume and get rewarded with a house. Oh my God, this is good. Seriously, ayan. So, team volume na naman po yan, okay? 1 million team volume and shareholder receive 100,000 cash reward o shareholders na kayo ngayon ng VoltX. Yan, so, nagsimula pa lang po natin. We're just going to be 10 days tomorrow. And as what I said, hindi po kami financial advisor dito. Hindi po kami isa sa may-ari dito. Member lang po kami and leader na nagpe-present para mas maintindihan po ng mga member kung ano po yung platform natin. Correct? As what I said again, coach lang po kami rito. We are doing the Zoom para po sa mga members natin dahil 2 a.m. Philippine time ang talagang Zoom meeting ng VaultX. So tulog na po lahat. Tulog na po lahat, lalo yung mga senior citizen natin. I believe so that they are already sleeping that time. And I will give you a few points din po sa VaultX. Okay, I will remove this one. I'll give you a few points po sa VaultX na ang VaultX po, kapag nag-withdraw po tayo, makita niyo po siya sa Binance Smart Chain. Okay? You can track your withdrawal sa blockchain po natin. Hindi po lahat ng company, they have that. But yes, this is one of our unique selling point sa mga members natin. Bukas po, ipapakita po natin yung mga withdrawal po and paano po natin itatrack yung mga withdrawal sa Binance Smart Chain. Oo nga po pala, here, kapag nag-deposit ka po, kailangan nyong ilagay po sa deposit nyo yung hash po ng deposit nyo. So, kailangan, kung hindi nyo po kayo sure kung paano po yan, magtanong po kayo sa sponsor nyo. Huwag po kayong magkakamali dahil sa blockchain, pa nagkamali po tayo ng pasok, hindi nyo na po yan maika-cancel or hindi nyo na po yan matitake it back again. Hindi po yan bangko. Okay? Alright. Mag-print screen tayo. Para sa ating group chat. Ayan. Meron po ba tayong question and answer? I-end ko lang po to. And then we can do our question and answer. Ayan. Meron po ulit tayong Zoom meeting bukas. Tomorrow, mas maraming sharing dahil yung deposit, withdrawal, ganyan makikita po natin. Ayan, punong-puno na. Isang screenshot pa ulit. First time po ng Zoom meeting to, ha? Kaya, more to go po tayo and mag-invite po tayo ng mga participants po natin. Ayan, perfect talaga. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng umaten for today. And yes, I will stop the recording and we will have our question and answer.